a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. For it isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are.
Now let us see kinds of quadrilateral, that is quadrilateral family. Now, before taking this trapezium, first of all, let us see how this quadrilateral family gets divided on the basis of their properties. Now, these quadrilateral are broadly classified into trapezium and parallelogram. What is this trapezium? Trapezium is the kind of quadrilateral having one pair of opposite side parallel. One pair of opposite side parallel. And parallelogram is the, we can say parallelogram is the trapezium having both pair of opposite side parallel. In trapezium, one pair of opposite side parallel. If we apply, if one of the parallel trapezium is the such that both pair of opposite sides parallel, then it is parallelogram. So trapezium has got one pair of opposite side parallel. This let us say this AAB, CD, then AB parallel to CD, and these are non-parallel side. Now in this parallelogram, AB parallel to CD and this BC parallel to AD. Parallelogram consists of both pair of opposite side parallel. In addition to this parallelogram has got this opposite angles. Say this angle X, then this angle X. These opposite angles are also equal with this angle Y and this angle Y. Parallelogram has got one property, that its opposite sides are equal. Second property, its opposite angle are equal. Third is its definition. Definition of parallelogram, opposite sides parallel is there. And fourth, its diagonal of the parallelogram bisect each other, means diagonal of parallelogram intersect each other at the midpoint, means this OA equal to OC and this OB equal to OD. So these are the four properties of parallelogram. Now if you extend the, if you apply some restriction to the parallelogram, then it becomes rectangle. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, but all four angles are not equal. If all four angles of parallelogram are equal, then resulted into rectangle. Means all property of parallelogram with rectangle, means parallelogram has got four sides parallel, opposite sides parallel, then these two sides are parallel. This one pair parallel, this second pair is parallel. Then opposite angles are equal, diagonal bisect each other, all these four properties with rectangle. But in addition to this, in rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. So rectangle is a parallelogram having each angle 90 degree. Next property of this rectangle is the diagonal of the rectangle are equal. Diagonals of rectangle are equal. So this parallelogram has got this four property, and rectangle has got this 4 plus 2, that is 6 property. Now if we apply some restriction to rectangle, then what happens? It becomes square. But before square, let us see rhombus. If parallelogram is such that in parallelogram you know that the opposite sides are equal. But if four sides are equal, if in this parallelogram all four sides are equal, then it converted into rhombus. In rhombus, all these four sides are equal. So rhombus has got this all four property of parallelogram. In addition to that, rhombus has got all four sides are equal. And additional property of this rhombus, that this diagonal are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals perpendicular to each other. So, if parallelogram is such that having all four sides are equal, that is called rhombus. A parallelogram having all four sides are equal, that is called a rhombus. So rhombus has got 6 properties, 4 properties of parallelogram and 2 independent properties. Now, if we apply both properties of rectangle and rhombus to this parallelogram, means if it is parallelogram is also, it is rectangle also, it is rhombus also, then it is square. This square has got 4 properties of parallelogram. That is all these 4 properties. Opposite sides equal, opposite sides parallel, opposite angles are equal, diagonal bisect together, and 2 properties of rectangle, that each angle is 90 degree and diagonals are equal, and additional 2 properties of rhombus, that all 4 sides are equal and diagonals are perpendicular to each other, resulting into this square. So square has got total 4 properties of parallelogram, 2 properties of rectangle and 2 properties of rhombus. So square is rhombus also, square is rectangle also, square is parallelogram also, and square is trapezium also. But every trapezium is not square, but every square is trapezium. Every square is parallelogram, but every parallelogram is not square. Now let us say one by one. Just we have seen that the quadrilateral is divided into, means broadly it is divided into on the basis of property trapezium and parallelogram. Now you know that trapezium is the quadrilateral having one pair of opposite sides parallel. Trapezium is quadrilateral having one pair of opposite sides parallel. In all these 4 cases, this side parallel to this side, this side parallel to this side, this side parallel to this side, and this side parallel to this side. All these are the trapezium. So trapezium has got one pair of opposite side parallel. Sum of these 2 angle equal to 180 degree, sum of these 2 angle equal to 180 degree. Now trapezium to parallelogram. Parallelogram, we have seen parallelogram is the quadrilateral having having both pair of opposite sides parallel. So let us say parallelogram. Parallelogram is the quadrilateral having both pair of opposite sides parallel. So parallelogram has got additional 3 properties, that opposite angles of this parallelogram are equal, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are also equal, and diagonal of this parallelogram bisect together, means this BD OB equal to OD and this OC equal to OA. Now let us see what are the properties of the rhombus. Now rhombus is the parallelogram having all 4 sides are equal. Rhombus is the parallelogram having all 4 sides are equal. So it is parallelogram, means it has got all the 4 sides of parallelogram. Additional to this 4 properties, all these 4 sides are equal, and diagonals of this rhombus are perpendicular to each other, means diagonals are making 90 degree angle. This is property of rhombus. Now property of rectangle. In rectangle, if this rectangle is a parallelogram having each angle is 90 degree, means it is parallelogram, it means that it has all the 4 properties. In addition to these 4 properties, each angle of this rectangle is 90 degree, and the diagonals of this rectangles are equal to each other, means this diagonal and this diagonal both are equal to each other. Finally, this square has got all the properties of parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus and square. Means it has got property of parallelogram. It means that if its opposite sides are equal, opposite sides parallel, opposite angles are equal, diagonal bisect each other. Properties of rectangle means each angle of square is 90 degree and diagonals are equal. Properties of rhombus means all the four sides of square are equal and diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Overall, the square is a rectangle having all sides are equal. Now let us see this kite. Kite, you know the shape of kite. Tail is not there, but for our geometry, kite has got this has got no tail. Without tail, let us see kite. Now in the kite, what happened? Kite has got this one pair of adjacent side equal and another pair of adjacent side equal, and these diagonals of the kite are perpendicular to each other, and one of the diagonal bisect each other. Means this suppose this point is point of intersection of the diagonal, say O, then this OB equal to OD, but this OA not equal to OC. So kite is the quadrilateral. How this kite quadrilateral? Kite is a quadrilateral having two pair of adjacent sides are equal and remaining properties as it is. Means this kite has got this AB equal to AD, number 1, this BC equal to CD, number 2, and additional property that one of the diagonal bisect and diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Means this AC perpendicular to BD. This is what says properties of kite. So what are the properties of kite? Kite has got one diagonal bisect each other, that is OB equal to OD. Another diagonal does not bisect each other. Two pair of adjacent sides are equal. Means this AB equal to AD, BC equal to CD, and this pair of diagonal perpendicular to each other. In addition to this, one pair of opposite angles are equal. Means angle B that is equal to angle D. So these are the properties of kite.